What time is it?
8:15.
We get picked up at 8:30 for our cooking class.
Let's go.
And then Harsh has joined the rebellion. We are going soon. In 10 minutes? We have to go cook, Harsh. You actually have to do something today. Get a load of this guy. Get a load of him. Ready to burn some mango sticky rice? Ready to burn some mango in a fucking mango dish that's fresh?
Honestly, if we get food poisoning today, it's like
it actually is our own fault if we get food poisoning today. Woo! Alright, let's do this. Let's cook some mango.
Is it finally like up to minute?
Yeah, he finally took his poo.
So
yeah, he ran a toilet paper, so.
Actually?
Yeah, he took Varun and Harish's. And Harish is brushing his teeth.
Now?
Yeah.
What?
You shouldn't be lying. You shouldn't be wrong.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
How's your cooking? Come here, come down, come down. Get down there. Made it into the bus? What? What's wrong? You look so handsome.
What?
We're at the ingredient spot. Oh yeah. Wow, banana.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Oh my god, cute bananas. As Anuj says. Whoa. Sweets. Wow. Get down on your knees. No. Get down. What? No, I just want to like shanks you guys. Harish. मैं bomba klart. Can you get down? Can you get down?
No, I'm not.
No, please. It's for the video. Oh, Anuj candidly looking at veggies.
My ingredients for what I do my cooking. Oh, look at this one. It's got a bit of girth. Bit of
Stroke it a little.
it looks like an eggplant.
Stroke it.
I didn't think I can do that. That's not appropriate.
What's it smell like?
Oh my god. Not bad.
I like that. I like that smell.
Yeah, what? It's not.
I like the smell.
Chill. It's normally
chill.
way less.
Maybe it's.
I think I like the smell of durian.
I don't like that smell actually.
What's it taste like?
Cheap. Very slimy.
What's it taste like?
I'm gonna throw up.
Is it bad?
Really bad. I'm telling you, these are not good. Disgusting. Tastes alright, but the texture is like.
No, I like that.
It tastes kind of like mango.
Finish
But the texture is just on
That's all you, bro.
On a leaf of the top.
We bought durian. You wanna try? It's good. I like it.
I don't think I should. I just came out from a fucking polo, bro. I don't want to keep going down. No, try a little. Smell it first.
Smell it.
It's not that bad.
Yeah. I like it. I genuinely like it. Yeah, it's nice.
Yellow pomelo.
Pomelo.
Oh no, white pomelo. White pomelo.
You know, it feels like an orange.
Yeah, I think it is. It's citrus.
Oh yeah.
This tastes like orange?
Just from spicy food, because it doesn't.
Just gonna eat a little bit today.
Oh, I really like that.
I don't know.
You've been averaging how many shits?
Like 4 shits a day, maybe?
4 shits a day.
That's
Jesus
crazy.
Christ, that's crazy.
Yesterday,
Durian, out of 10.
The aftertaste had a bit of mango. Listen, 2 out of 10 for me. Yeah.
Durian out of 10.
I'm gonna be like. Taste, I would say like 7 out of 10. Texture is like 2 out of 10.
Durian out of 10.
It tasted like what? I mean, it felt like what you would do if you've been to a grub or something.
Rishi, durian out of 10.
I was gonna throw up from that.
What's the other fruit we had? Pomelo? Pomelo?
White pomelo.
White pomelo. What were your rating?
It's pretty good. Listen, it's a hard orange. 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Pomelo.
Vanilla on its own, like 4 out of 10. With the
Really?
spice, I'd say like 8 out of 10. Did you bring me
Look at this place. It's so zen. Oh, and there's just a rope swing.
I won't problem.
Getting ready to cook our food. Show some cooking. Show some cooking, bro. Double knifed up. Oh, look at this dish he's cooking. Yeah, no hand. Just got back from the farm tour, and now we're gonna start cooking.
Powder and panang curry. You have some peanuts, huh?
Did you try it?
Yeah, I'll try.
Wanna try?
Right, I thought I killed Gino.
You're fine, bro.
Yeah, it's a cookie.
How's your tom yum? Your coconut tom yum?
10 out of 10. Because I made it.
Anuj, what would you rate yours?
It's sweet but good.
Like 10 out of 10. For my cooking,
Or your cooking?
My cooking always.
For all the viewers at home, this shows that you can cook. If we're can
okay,
cook.
so the best thing I made before this was Maggi.
Maggie noodle. Shav's dish. Yeah. Little ball. We have 2 minutes left of footage over here.
No, it's 20 minutes. The boss is coming
No,
later.
2 minutes of my footage.
Oh.
Yeah, so we finished our whole course. What did we make?
Pad Thai.
And?
Curry.
And?
At the start.
Tom yum. Coconut
No,
tom yum.
coconut.
Yeah. So Varun is still eating his mango, never mind. I'm on a swing. Whee! Oh wow. Whee! Wait, let me take it with my... Wait, let me take it... Oh no, don't back off! Do it again! Wait, okay, do it again. Lock in. Yeah, lock in. Wow. Whoa. Mr. Property damage. Mr. Property damage right there. And then Mr. I'm going on a walk.
What is going on a walk?
Everyone already knows, bro. Finished our cooking class.
Stroke that shit, baby. Stroke that shit. Hey! Yippee doo dah!
He's gooning to Food Wars. Well, that's not even Food Wars.
Black Clover.
Gooner!
Oh my god!
4 big guys, and they bust on my eyes. They eat my ass just like apple pie. If they keep fucking me like this, I might just die.